Coming home to a pet is already one of life's best moments. But right now, smart gadgets and AI are making pet care easier, safer, and a lot more stress-free. If you've ever wondered what your pet does when you're gone, or worried something might go wrong, these tools are built to solve that. The PetliBro Scout AI camera costs $99.99 and goes far beyond basic pet monitoring. It follows your pet automatically, lets you talk to them through two-way audio, and uses AI to recognize when they eat, drink, use the litter box, or just pass by. It saves daily photo highlights in the cloud for up to 30 days, with subscriptions starting at $12 a month. If losing a pet is your nightmare, the Life 360 GPS pet tracker starts at $49.99 and gives real-time location tracking, geofence alerts, and even notifies nearby pet owners if your pet escapes. A built-in light helps you spot them at night, with plans starting at $14.99 per month. For cat owners, PetliBro's Polar Wet Food Feeder keeps food fresh for up to 72 hours, even during short power outages, and lets you control feeding schedules from your phone. And if litter box odors drive you crazy, the PetKit Puramax 2 automatically cleans, seals waste, releases deodorizer, and tracks your cat's weight and bathroom habits to spot health issues early. If this kind of smart tech helps you care better for the things you love, hit like, subscribe, and comment which gadget you'd actually buy. Watch the related video in the corner for more tech that actually improves daily life, and don't just scroll past the future. Upgrade how you care, starting today.